Hello and welcome from the Institute of Quantitative Technology. This video will show how to install and update Advantage. 1. There are two key steps to installing or updating Advantage. Download the latest zip file from the IQT website from https://theiqt.com/advantage-download. Extract all from the downloaded file to your MT4 folder. 2. If you are installing for the first time, you may need the following two extra steps. Locate your MT4 folder. Allow live trading within MT4. 3. If you are updating your version of Advantage, repeat the two key steps from point 1. The IQT will email whenever there is a new beta version with new features. The previous version will also be available. We will now explain the key points further, specifically. 1. The two key steps for installing or updating Advantage. 2. Extra information on installing Advantage for the first time. 3. Extra information on updating your Advantage version. If accessing this video via the IQT website, you can click on each hyperlink to navigate to the relevant section. There are two key steps to installing or updating Advantage. 1. Download the latest zip file from the IQT website from https://theiqt.com/advantage-download. 2. Extract all from the downloaded file to your MT4 folder. Here we demonstrate Step 1, Download. We download the latest zip file from the download page of the IQT website, i.e. https://theiqt.com/advantage-download. Now we can show Step 2, Extract all. We extract all the files from the downloaded file to the MT4 folder. You can verify that the install has completed by inspecting the contents of your MT4 folder's MQL4 subfolder. The file IQT Advantage User Guide.pdf should be visible. If you are installing for the first time, you may need the following two extra steps in MT4. 1. Locate your MT4 folder. This is most easily found within MT4 by clicking on File, Open Data folder. 2. Allow live trading within MT4. This can be done by clicking on Tools, Options, Expert Advisors. Here we show the first extra step. Step 1. Locate your MT4 folder. Within MT4, we click on File, then Open Data folder. You may find it useful to select and copy the contents of the address bar of the location. Now we can show Step 2, Allow live trading. Within MT4, we click on Tools, then Options. We select the Expert Advisors tab and tick the Allow automated trading checkbox. We suggest ticking the other checkboxes as shown. If you are updating your version of Advantage, repeat the two key steps from earlier. You may be prompted to overwrite files. This is safe, only Advantage files will be overwritten. No system or MT4 installation files will be overwritten. Advantage is developed on a perpetual beta basis. The IQT will email whenever there is a new beta version available, with new features based on suggestions and requests. This version will be updated based on any issues reported, and be made available as the previous version of Advantage, at the same time as the next beta is made available. Thanks for watching. Advantage and clickable videos are available at www.theiqt.com. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the IQT's channel on YouTube.